Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Ford's 1997 to 2003 F-150. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or remove your cab from your frame. With an 18mm socket, remove the center bolt retaining your crossmember. Then, remove the two bolts retaining the crossmember's bracket with a 15mm socket and 18mm wrench. Step 3. Take your center frame section and relieve the top and bottom perforations on your perforated plate. This will allow your frame section to fit over the raised bump on your frame rail. Then, bend the plate outward so it will sit over the bump on your frame rail. Step 4. Slide your center frame section onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can clamp your part into place with a C-clamp to ensure a tight fit. Once you have your frame section in place, reinstall the bolts retaining your crossmember's bracket with a 15mm socket and 18mm wrench. Then, reinstall the center bolt with an 18mm socket. Step 5. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Then, clamp your plate against the frame using a C-clamp, followed by welding the plate into place. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.